Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Showgrounds right now and Royal Show inside, guys. Ready to go. The entrance is already complete packed. So that's why it's definitely getting ready to go for this year's Royal Show, which is September 23 to 30. So this is the first time having Royal Show here in Perth after the airport line opens. Last year it was built before the airport line, so that's why there were only Fremantle line trains last year. But this year we have airport line trains as well, so that's why all of us thought that they're probably not going to run express trains because there's probably not enough space for the trains to run express anyways. But no, they are running them, so that's why we're waiting for the first one to come in and then we'll take the first inbound trip back to Perth. Because now Mark actually asked me, why the hell you take the inbound, not the outbound for the real first train? But the thing is, because last year I already did the other way towards Showgrounds with Mark as well. So that's why not this year I just do something different. Now, due to the fact that we have airport line this time, and B-Series has to be used on the freaking airport line. So that's why Claysbrook Depot probably don't have enough B-Series to actually use 6 cars B-Series to actually do the express. So that's why there are rumors saying that they will be running A-Series for the Express. That would be very funny if that's for real the case. I actually really want to actually be an A-Series because that would be very interesting to see. But there are like 4 staff already on the platform, so let's just wait for the Mark's Express train to come in and then we'll enter platform 3 here and then we'll just take it back to Perth. Well, that's an awkward one. Claremont, no plus S, while stopping at Showgrounds. That's pretty awkward. That's pretty troll actually, but that's an airport line train. The next train should be the Express. According to Mark, it is a 6-car B-Series, so that's why. It will be 6-car B-Series. Mark already saw 3 of them, so that's why he'll be taking the first one. It should cross the tracks over there as it is, cross into platform 3. So there are like 5 stops right now, so that's why I'm gonna wait for that to come in. We'll take it back to Perth with Mark, so let's wait for that. Alright, here's the Showground Express coming in, crossing the tracks. Let's do it. There are like how many stops? Like 1 stop at every car right now back there. So that's why I'm just gonna get this guy in. It's gonna be very, very slow because, yeah, it's gonna be very, very slow. But that's basically it. So here is the Showgrounds train. The staff is walking over here. Hopefully he's not gonna kick me out. Oh my gosh! Completely packed. Holy crap, this is so packed. Wow, no wonder they need to use 6 cars. Holy shit, if not, this is not going to be possible. The whole train is full, everyone is standing. Oh my gosh, where's Mark? How can he even do this? Like backwards will be completely empty, so I'm doing backwards, but holy shit. Where's Mark? Not seeing Mark at all, probably at the back car. Back car is totally empty. What the hell is this? Alright, anyways, that's basically half of the train. Oh, there's another dude actually filming on the train. I don't know. Oh, I know who that is. That's that TP guy. And there's this Mark right here. Let's get on board. Alright, here's the first train that will go back. This is the first outbound trip that enters to Showgrounds. Still have the Showground desktop up there. Still have the Showgrounds desktop up there. Normal stuff too, not caps, which is definitely something they don't have last year. Set 104 here and set 105 at the back. 2 terrible sets, but we'll take it back to Perth now. Now it's joined by Mark here, and also, what is your name to actually call you? Instead of just calling you with your channel name?
Jacob.
Jacob, welcome to the channel. And let's take it back now, which should be completely empty. We can freely just roam the train. So let's just get in there, if we not get kicked out. Alright, ready to go. Only 3 dudes on board. 3 dudes on board. I can literally just freely roam the train, but the thing is, stops are outside. So first, at least leave the station first. Showgrounds to Perth Express, let's do it. Okay. What? Parting. And according to the announcements, both of the escalators in Subiaco are dead right now, so that's why.
Yeah, but it's not just the upgrade works, it's not because they're just gone.
Alright, let's see how fast it's gonna be. Quote unquote fast. Okay, so let's see whether they're gonna do the same operation as last time. At Perth Station, they cleared out platform 8 last time for the express to park, and all of the normal trains go to platform 9. So let's see whether this time is gonna be the same thing. Lodge Street Station. There it goes. And Karakata Station in another 10 seconds. What the hell is he doing? We got another train there. That's probably the Claremont plus S, Karakata. The thing is, he's pressing off the doors, but at the same time there's no one filming at Perth Station to actually get that miraculous view of all of the doors opening at the same time. Plus the thing is, he pressed this side, which won't open anyways. Yeah, but like, there's no one at Perth filming on the platform to see all of the doors open at the same time, so that's kind of pointless. And we're already slowing down. Another train, complete packed.
See how close they are? The airport line and then this train, literally like 1 minute, not even less.
Showgrounds. Man, it'd be way cooler if they use A series.
Yeah, they probably will have used it.
Well, let's see on Monday whether I'm gonna catch another one.
Okay.
Next is Shenton Park Station. Oh nice, they fixed the map. It's set 104. One time when you take the Joondalup Line Express, I spotted the wrong map.
Oh, yeah.
That's fixed it, I think. Alright, Shenton Park Station. There that goes. I don't know why they're High Wycombe no patterns. I thought they were going to do WS pattern for High Wycombe, but... Next is Daglish. Oh, we're going to run through Subiaco Station with such a slow speed, it's not going to be satisfying anymore.
Yeah, not like last year. I filmed the fast speed last year.
A series. There that goes, A series. including Showgrounds. Does it just say including Showgrounds?
What?
Oh, there it goes. I thought it's like the desktop not changing or something. Not like the freaking circle routes for the path buses. Never change. Actually, I take that back. I think I saw one time on 2705 that it actually has the Fremantle desktop for the 999. Alright. Like basically Express is not even Express, it's just not stopping anything, and then just like it reduced the speed to compensate with the stopping time. Basically it's just like a normal train. Like normal train runs like 70 to 80 kilometers per hour and then stop for like 20 seconds. While this train just like run like 30 to 40 and doesn't stop.
It's mainly for the capacity.
That's basically it.
It's mainly for the capacity though.
Like when you see the first train just came in earlier on, I didn't really film the whole train entering because the staff is literally behind me, but you see definitely the first car is completely full and the second car is like completely empty, same as last year. Subiaco here. Slow as hell. On the outside, someone's filming.
He has a shirt with London Underground on it.
Shirt with London Underground. There are transit officers on board. I mean, not on board, on the platform.
Just teleport.
Oh, there that goes. Subiaco. Like. Actually, if they reuses the West Leaderville abandoned platform, this train can just run straight through.
Yeah.
That would be a very nice running ahead track.
Yeah, it would be great.
Yeah, it would be very nice.
Like
not like the airport line train in front of us. Just stay there for like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
While just room. All right, another B series airport line. Also, by the way, that Claremont with no plus S earlier on was the set 49. Set 98. Like, if they stop like right here, that would be like perfect for the normal trains.
Still outside Express to Mandarin here. Yeah, that was long ago.
And West Leaderville. Running through. High Wycombe in 3 minutes. I mean, 4 minutes. Yesterday should be a gas bus, yeah? down all the way. Down there.
Where?
5 foot.
Oh
Should
yeah.
be a gas bus, yeah?
Yeah.
But well, yesterday saw very awesome things when I'm taking buses. Very decent, all of the stuff. Of course in Ellenbrook yesterday, all of the 25s, trash. But after coming back to the city, we got a very awesome scene of a B12 on 220. That's like whenever that ever happened before.
And the refurbished one.
Yes, and a refurbished one too. Like, what the hell? And it's actually not even like a deviating one, it's all the way to Armadale too. What's the chances of 220 using an RTX? But when they use RTX, they will use good RTX, so that's good. Refurbished B12, and one time I saw 3138 doing it. Oh, Express again. First car complete full, and the second car is also pretty full, I think. Three minutes for the Fremantle. Alright, there goes City West. Luckily, we didn't. Actually, it's constant speed. We actually didn't like have to drop speed or anything.
Stopped on that direction though. As soon as we exited Subiaco Tunnel, in the other direction, it stopped.
Well, but for these guys, for these drivers though,
Yeah,
sad. They also need to like walk on the tracks at the McIver turn back, which is gonna be miserable. Unless there's another driver that way, then they don't need to actually like walk out.
Did we see him?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But entering tunnels, it'll be way smoother if these trains actually goes to Mandurah afterwards. Gas bus, of course. 2054. Now let's see, enter platform 8 or platform 9. I think we should be platform 8 because that won't affect the train services. Because if platform 9, they actually goes this way into the siding, while the platform 8 trains goes that way. So probably platform 8 and then goes to sidings. Platform 9, normal trains go through. So should be platform 8. Remember, check out Mark's video and H-Series. There that goes. And if you guys are interested, check out his channel as well. Wow, this is... What a ride! It's just like the DMU speed. In Adelaide.
Ghost trains.
Ghost trains. Oh, yep, platform 8. Here we go. See a train on platform 9 here. There should be the airplane train in front of us. Oh, there's a platform 6 over there. Also, it's the new signs at Perth, yes. They swapped everything to black. No more colors, all black, which is really troll. Showgrounds, SP. Oh, that one's still colored, nice. Perth, terminating train, do not board. On the other side. And of course, still no base water, but very soon base water station. Alright, there this goes. Probably going to the sidings now. We're gonna end the video. There are staff on the platform, so that's why that's it for another express journey this time. Even I don't want to actually call it even slower, but I don't know what to call this video, but whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels and my Instagram. Click on this video up top and
Bye. Peace.
Peace.